our library, and I'm here to tell you about an exciting new book that comes out December 1st, and it is Cat Kid Comic Club by Dav Pilkey, who you love from Dogman and Captain Underpants, and I'm so excited for this book to come out. It is just as subversive and meta as his other books. Basic plot is that little Petey, along with Flippy the fish, and Molly are trying to teach 21 baby frogs how to create their own comics. And through the story of them learning how to make their own comics, the readers, that you learn how to make your comics, from generating ideas, dealing with criticism, exploring different formats like making comics in poetry or photographs or stop motion or action figures. There are so many ways you can make a comic, and really exploring the theme of creative expression and learning how to push back when people try to limit your creativity, which Dav Pilkey has a lot of experience with people telling him how he should be telling his stories. And I'm so here for him pushing back as only Dav Pilkey can do. I love how Dav Pilkey explores the feeling of fear of mistakes and embracing making bad art and failing, and that failing is the way we learn how to do things. You will love Cat Kid Comic Club for a lot of reasons, because it's fun, it's silly, it's hilarious, it really respects your creativity and intelligence. As Dav Pilkey said, practice and persistence, they learn and become better artists. My hope is that kids everywhere are inspired to write their own stories, appreciate different ways of thinking and approaching art, and feel empowered to be creative. And our library is here to help us all celebrate the book birthday of Cat Kid Comic Club by providing a free grab and go kit you can pick up in our great green box to host your own Cat Kid Comic Club virtual party. I thought I would do a little unbagging video to show you what's inside our grab and go kit. So you want to open up the kit, but make sure you keep the bag. I'll tell you about that later. It of course comes with a Cat Kid Comic Club sticker. Welcome to the club. We have taken damaged books and given them new life so you can make your own keychain comic. And then we have a bunch of really fun activities you can do from the publisher. So you can make your own Munchie, the lunch bag activity, or creature using the bag, upcycling it. A little Petey drawing tutorial, because little Petey's the best. And then a comic story starter, so you can draw your own comics, and hopefully you'll share them with us. We have some really fun bookmarks from the ALA store to be a reading super buddy. And then we also have a little form where you can tell us some feedback about the kit. And if you scan this QR code, just scan it with your device, it will take you to a form, and on the form there is a place where you can include your email address to join our raffle to win your own copy of Cat Kid Comic Club, thanks to Scholastic. Thank you, Scholastic, for sending us a copy to share with our community. You can also put a copy on hold at our library to get through curbside pickup. We would love to see what you come up with, so feel free to share your comics with us via email or social media. Either way, we hope you have so much fun with this grab and go kit and celebrating the joy that is Cat Kid Comic